Today, we're diving into the EVGA 210GQ0750V1750GQ, a semi-modular power supply unit that's been making waves in the PC building community. This 750W PSU is part of EVGA's GQ series, known for combining great quality with excellent value. With its 80+ gold certification, the EVGA 750GQ promises high efficiency, boasting 90% efficiency at 115 VC and an impressive 92% at 220 VC to 240 VC under typical loads. This efficiency not only helps in reducing electricity bills but also means less heat generation, which is always a plus for any build point. One of the standout features of this PSU is its semi-modular design. This means you can connect only the cables you need, reducing clutter and improving airflow within your case. A well-organized build isn't just about aesthetics. Better airflow can lead to better cooling performance, enhancing the overall longevity and stability of your system. The EVGA 750GQ is equipped with a 135mm fluid dynamic bearing fan. This type of fan is known for its quiet operation and long lifespan, which is crucial for maintaining a peaceful working or gaming environment. Additionally, the EVGA Eco mode ensures that the fan only operates when absolutely necessary, further minimizing noise during low to medium loads. Protection-wise, EVGA has packed this PSU with an array of safety features. It includes overvoltage protection, OVP, undervoltage protection, UVP, overcurrent protection, OCP, overpower protection, OPP, short circuit protection, SCP, and overtemperature protection, OTP. These features are essential for safeguarding your components from potential damage due to electrical anomalies. Operating within a temperature range of 0 degrees to 50 degrees Celsius, the EVGA 750GQ is built to perform reliably under various conditions. Whether you're running a high-end gaming rig or a professional workstation, this PSU is designed to handle the demands efficiently. In terms of connectivity, the 750GQ supports a 24-pin connector, making it compatible with most modern motherboards. The power supply's ATX form factor ensures it fits into a wide range of cases, providing versatility for different build configurations. With a 5-year warranty, EVGA stands behind the durability and performance of this power supply. This extended warranty period gives you peace of mind, knowing that your investment is protected over the long term. In conclusion, the EVGA 750GQ 80+ Gold 750W power supply unit offers a fantastic balance of efficiency, reliability, and value. Its semi-modular design, quiet operation, and comprehensive protection features make it a top choice for both novice and experienced builders. If you're looking for a power supply that delivers great performance without breaking the bank, the EVGA 750GQ is definitely worth considering. Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.